Bicycles are great for leisure rides, exercise, and eco-friendly city commutes, but when it comes to being a true replacement for everyday transport, they often fall short. Exposure to rain, wind, and the inability to travel on highways limit their practicality. Enter the Vigos, a futuristic hybrid tricycle developed by French company Cixi, designed to bridge the gap between cycling freedom and the practicality of a roadworthy vehicle. With pedal assist technology, electric power, and weather protection, this three-wheeler aims to revolutionize how we think about personal transport. Unlike traditional e-bikes or scooters, the Vigos is no ordinary pedal vehicle. Classified under the L5 category in France, it's legally allowed to travel on highways thanks to its impressive top speed of 120 kilometers per hour. This places it in the same performance conversation as small urban electric runabouts like the Citroen Ami, Fiat Topolino, and Microlino. But with a twist, you can pedal your way into motion, making it part bicycle, part EV. At the heart of the Vigos is Cixi's PERS chainless pedaling system. This innovative setup allows the rider to control acceleration and even braking through pedaling with customizable resistance levels. Riders can opt for light pedaling to let the electric motor do the heavy lifting or engage more for a fitness boost. This dual system means you're never just a passenger, you're actively part of the driving experience. Powering the Vigos is a 22 kilowatt-hour floor-mounted battery, delivering a range of around 160 kilometers on a full charge. Thanks to regenerative braking and additional pedaling, that range can be stretched further. Recharging takes about 6 hours on a standard household outlet, making it convenient for daily use. The design is just as thoughtful as the drivetrain. With 2 wheels at the front and 1 at the back, the Vigos integrates an active tilting mechanism for stability and improved cornering. The fully enclosed body shields riders from wind, rain, and other weather conditions while also enhancing aerodynamics. LED headlights, windshield wipers, and twin side doors add to the car-like experience. At the rear, a small cargo space with securing straps offers practicality for groceries or small loads. Inside, the Vigos comfortably accommodates 2 passengers. Both seats come with 3-point safety belts, and ISOFIX mounts are included for child seats, underscoring its road safety credentials. Instead of a traditional steering wheel, the Vigos retains its cycling roots with a handlebar fitted with integrated controls and brakes. Durability has also been baked into the design. Cixi claims that the Vigos is built to last 15 years, after which it can be recycled. The modular chassis, replaceable body panels, and accessible parts make maintenance straightforward, while modern touches like over-the-air software updates ensure the vehicle stays up to date. However, the Vigos isn't something you'll be able to purchase outright. Cixi plans to launch it exclusively through a subscription model. While exact prices are yet to be confirmed, the idea is to make it accessible without the burden of ownership costs. Production will take place in France once the final prototype and road-ready version are completed. With its blend of cycling effort, electric power, and real-world usability, the Vigos stands as one of the most intriguing concepts in personal mobility. It offers the freedom of a bicycle, the speed of a small car, and the comfort of staying dry, potentially redefining the daily commute for eco-conscious urbanites.